Hello, I'm Pablo Lozano. I'm research engineer and human body model specialist in IDIADA. Imagine a digital copy of a virtual model. Those are HBMs. So those are virtual representations of the human body. They have bones, they have muscles, they have tissue as we have. And we use them in safety research just to know more in detail what injuries happen in the cars, etc. So those are really detailed models that are complementary to the traditional ATDs. As we mentioned before, those are virtual representations of the body. Therefore, they can give a lot of information regarding safety. Also, there are some opportunities that ATDs do not have right now. For example, they can be morphed and changed to adapt to different body sizes, different statures, and different anthropometries. So we can cover virtually more people and make them safe inside the car. They do also have muscle activation, for example, as we humans do. Normally, traditional ATDs are just made out of steel. In general, they are not as close as we are, and they do not have active musculature. Those HBMs can represent the active musculature. And the latest thing, but also super important, is that they are closer to us. Geometrically, they are more biofidelic, that's what we say. So that means that the materials they are made of and the geometry of the different body structures are the same. So IMPROVA in general is focusing on long-term consequences, and that's where the main goal of the HBMs comes in. Here in IMPROVA, we will be focusing on the lumbar spine, on the lower extremities, and on the head. Those are regions that tend to generate, especially the lower extremities, they tend to generate long-term consequences. And the idea is that we improve the current available HBMs and use them in order to be able to predict those kind of injuries in the car. So no longer immediate injuries is the only topic, but also long-term consequences. But knowing or having this into account, it's worth mentioning that HBMs will not replace current ATDs. They are just an additional tool that we are using them in IMPROVA and hopefully to increase the safety in automotive.